Hello from southern France and Monaco. Actually, right now I'm in France and it's walking distance down to Monte Carlo and Monaco. Behind me we have the Tour Odeon. I think it's the most expensive real estate in the world per square meter. On top of it you have a water slide. Inside it you, among others, have Arne Fredli, the Norwegian billionaire that owns the clear carbon red Bugatti Chiron and metallic red, dark red McLaren P1 GTR Street version. Also regular Bugatti Veyron red and black. So those cars are parked in the cellar of that garage. I know that, so that would be nice to visit it at a certain point. Anyway, I'm down here to spot cars and update with some information from you, or to you. I already saw a very nice 488 Pista Spider in this unique red metallic. Is it Maranello Rosso? I think the name was. And I saw a nice Chiron yesterday, brownish with gold details. Have a look at the nice yacht there in the background. Maybe I have to zoom it in. After all, it's 4K, so you would be able to see it. Maybe. Anyway, so it's so. Do you have any tips of the best places to spot cars? Roquebrune, is it like we're near the tennis court or something? Where I always see some of these nice cars parked there, or is it outside some Nikki Beach or whatever? Maybe you have to go to Saint-Tropez to see some of those parking spots. Anyway, I can update you. It's like the fifth or sixth time I drive down with the Audi A8 LW12. It have 225,000 kilometers. Everything holds up, like except including ceramic brakes, ceramic pads. I changed them last year, but I think the left rear wheel bearing is about to give up. I changed the right rear wheel bearing, but it's just a comfortable cruiser, long A to B cruiser. Down here in Riviera, everything is big. It's not just a regular Brabus 800, it's a G65 V12 based 800. Everything is just the best. It's the largest yachts. I will upload some videos of the Savannah super yacht, hybrid super yacht. Actually, Sweden owns it. The son of the founder of Lundin Oil, Lucas Lundin, I believe his name is. So it will probably anchor, or say more, park, whatever, down in Antibes. But it was just here one day, as you maybe saw in one of my earlier videos. So give me some tip. Where is the best place to spot cars? Obviously the casino, but some hidden gems, the thermal bath club, whatever, that was pretty good. I saw a nice SVJ yesterday, matte grey Aventador SV Jota. I also saw in Fontvieille Harbor, is that the old harbor? I saw Jon Olsson's boat. It looks exactly like a Wally boat. I thought it was a Wally, but it was Jon Olsson. Speaking of Jon Olsson, after 40 you should do as him and maybe me, just skip alcohol after 40. It's just healthy thing to do. Throw that out to your life, especially if you have kids. Anyway, so we'll check out Antibes one day, super yachts, and probably we'll go down now and check some hunt for hypercars and just regular nice cars. That little yacht down there is so nice. It's actually quite large. Not the cruising ship, but to the left of the two buildings. And you could also see in the night Tour Odeon changes from regular just not illuminated to blue to yellow. Really nice. I'll show you a video. And every Saturday here is a competition for fireworks. Last Saturday it was Spain. I filmed everything from here where the explosives came off below you. Pretty nice feeling. It's almost time to celebrate that the A8 LW12 has held up this long. Anyway, that's all for now. Be sure to like and comment and subscribe. Ja.